Namaskar, I'm Sunita Shekhawat, an assistant professor from Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today we will discuss about stem cell, what is stem cell, their classification and their uses and other details. Okay, so basically what is stem cell? Stem cell is a cell found in human body but somewhat different because it is a cell which have ability to differentiate in different types of cell. Like we can say stem cell have property of renewal as well as differentiation. It can renew itself as well as differentiate into different types of the cell. With the help of this stem cell, we can produce different types of cell. Like you can say we have to produce blood cell, we have to produce skin cell, whatever. So basically stem cell are used for the further details, like in case of research, in case of therapies also. So basically we have to discuss about the properties of this stem cell. First property is the renewal property and second property is the differentiation property. So what is renewal property? So let's discuss this. Renewal properties say when one stem cell divide, it will produce two cells. One is again stem cell, while second cell produced by the stem cell will be differentiated cell for any specific purpose, right? So stem cell basically maintain its stem pool which will be later used for the differentiation, right? Then we see second property which is differentiation. So at the time of this maintenance of pool, stem cell also produce some differentiated cell which is further differentiated to any kind of specialized cell. So basically this is the property which helps in the maintenance of stem cells and also helps in the production of different types of cell. According to this property, stem cells are divided into total 4 types. First one is the totipotent cell. Toti means total, that is stem cell which can produce a complete formation of embryo. Embryo plus, we can say embryo plus extra embryonic membranes. So totipotent stem cell have ability to produce embryonic part as well as extra embryonic part. Second one is the pluripotent stem cell. These stem cells have property to produce a complete embryo but extra embryonic part cannot be produced these type of stem cell. Third type of stem cell is the multipotent stem cell. These type of stem cell have property to divide or differentiate into multiple type of stem cell but cannot produce a complete embryo, right? So next one is the last unipotent stem cell. Unipotent stem cell have ability to produce a single type of cell, like you can say they can produce RBC, they can produce gametes like sperm and egg, right? So these are the 4 types of stem cell on the basis of their potency, that how many type or how many types of classification we discuss, right? So next one is the this one is the one classification. So second classification will depend upon the origin from where they are originated. On the basis of origination, stem cell are again 2 types. So on the basis of origin, these are 2 types. One is the embryonic stem cell, while second one is the adult stem cell. Embryonic stem cell include second type which is pluripotent stem cell, while adult stem cell include multipotent as well as unipotent stem cell. So let's see from where we can get the stem cell which is pluripotent cell. Pluripotent cell as well we see is the cell which produce a complete embryo. So basically at the time of stage of blastula stage, 2 types of cells are present in blastula. One is the trophoblast layer, while second is the ICM layer. So basically ICM cells are the cell which act as a pluripotent cell and produce embryo, while trophoblast is the cell for the formation of extra embryonic membranes, which occurs if we consider both these cells, then they comes in the category of totipotent cell, while ICM considered in the category of pluripotent cell because they can produce only and only embryonic part. So let's see in this diagram. This one is the complete blastula stage, which is formed after the 4 to 5 days of the fertilization. The outer layer is the trophoblast layer, while inner cell is the ICM. So at the time of formation of embryo, both these cells, one is the trophoblast and second one is the ICM, both helps in the formation of complete embryo with the extra embryonic membrane. But in case of embryonic stem cell, only ICM plays a role in the formation of embryo. Second one is the adult stem cell. Adult stem cell have category of multipotent while unipotent cell. Multipotent cell, as we see, can form multiple type of stem cells. So we can take example of one is the hematopoietic stem cell. Hematopoietic stem cell, it means stem cell which produce all type of blood cell, that is RBC, WBC and platelets, right? So they can produce all different types of blood cell, that is why we say hematopoietic stem cell. As well as other multipotent type of stem cells are like you can say mesenchyme cell as and etc. Unipotent, in case of unipotent, we say RBC can form new RBC, while we can form gametes because these cells can only produce single type of stem cell, right? So these are the classification which we'll discuss in this lecture. One is the stem cell classification on the basis of origin, which is of two types, embryonic and adult stem cell, and second classification is the classification on the basis of potency, which is totipotent, pluripotent, multipotent and unipotent, right? So basically we have to discuss the importance of stem cell. Where can we use these stem cell? The uses of stem cell in research as well as therapy, right? In case of research and therapy, stem cells are used for the diagnosis or treatment of various diseases, like in case of research and therapy, like Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, we can treat these diseases with the help of these stem cells. And also stem cells are used for the treatment, or you can say repair and removal of the damaged cell present in the body, right? So advantage, one is research in field and the second one is the therapy. Also in body, these cells also help in the removal or repairment and removal of the damaged cell, right? So basically this is the about all stem cell. We discussed about stem cell, classification of stem cell and then the advantage of the stem cell. Thank you.